This 5-minute meditation can reduce nervousness or anxiety before events, such as interviews, moving to different places, everyday situations, or just whenever you want to feel calm and at peace. To begin, sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Inhale through your nose to the count of 4, and exhale through your mouth to the count of 2. Do this several times. Imagine the energy from the center of the earth. Imagine that energy as a spear of white light that beams up to your feet. Concentrate on it. Feel the heat, the warmth in your feet. Feel the warmth in every muscle and in every fiber. Continue to focus on that heat and draw it upwards through your calves, your knees, and your thighs. Feel it dissolve stress and tension. Let it flow on upward to your solar plexus. Let it bathe your stomach. Let it continue to flow to your throat. Feel it dissolve tension you never knew was there. Feel the warmth reach your face like a sunlight. Let it fill every pore and rid every tension. The warmth infuses you with confidence and courage. Repeat after me. I am calm. I am centered. I am at peace. Now imagine the light and the warmth return to your solar plexus, the seat of your emotions, your being. From there, feel it radiate out in every direction. Envision this radiating aura that is protecting you and filling you with new life. When you've done this, relax, take a deep breath, feel the warmth resting inside you. Remember that whenever you need to feel calm, that this light is always there and always inside you.